Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another stock market video. Today we're going to do an overview of these stocks in all of my apps here. So like my whole portfolio we're going to go over real quick. A lot of people are always asking me to show this. I think they just want to continue to see the progress on the stocks that I've chosen. So let's go ahead and go through these. Let's start with Webull. So I have a few stocks on Webull. So I use Webull just a little bit. I've just wanted to test it out, get a feel for how it works. I have 3 shares of Snapchat in here, and it looks like that is worth $233.91. So there is Webull for you. Let's go to public. Remember, these are all stocks that I own that I believe in these companies. I use their products. I have a really good understanding of what they do, so that's why I've chosen to invest in these. Public, another really cool stock investing app. I have most of my stocks on Cash App, which is kind of where I started first. If I had to choose a second favorite, it would definitely be Public. I think they're doing a lot of good things over here on this app. So let's go to my portfolio here. It looks like I have $169.37 invested. This is my portfolio. $155 in Tesla, $8 in Snapchat, $3.59 in Square, and $1.74 in Crocs. So there was Public. Now let's go over to Robinhood. So it looks like I have $609.40 in Robinhood, Snapchat, and Twitter. And it looks like I also have 1,000 Doge in here. So I'm not sure how that factors into the chart, but actually Doge might make up for most of my money on here. That is $260 worth of Doge. So about 2/3 of this is stocks. So there's my portfolio on Robinhood, just a little bit of Snapchat and Twitter. Now most of my portfolio is here on Cash App. You can look at my all-time performance, see I'm up about 45% on stocks. Had a huge dip here, but things are definitely looking good right now. My total investment is $3,765. My total gain is $1,774. You can scroll down here and see my portfolio. Let's do sort by my total investment value. So my portfolio, most is in Square, then Tesla, Snapchat, Twitter, Crocs, Neo, and Apple. So I'm mostly in tech stocks. Companies that I really believe in are Square, Twitter, and Snapchat. Then I just have a little bit of these other ones that I think are promising. Tesla I just bought a little bit pretty early, so I've just held on to that. Then the only non-tech stock I'm in is Crocs. I mean, this thing is just gone insane lately. I've doubled my money on that. I wish I put a lot more in Crocs when it was under $10 here on this dip. It's hard to see on this chart, but that 2020 COVID dip, it was under $10. But man, they have such good partnerships and such good products. Wow, a share price is $141 of Crocs now. That's wild. Cash App has all these statistics now too, which is nice. But we can go to details and see that I own 1.667 shares of Crocs. But yeah, there's my overall portfolio. Not sure the total value, probably something around like $7,000 between all of those apps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos and more updates like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.